Welcome to SciTech Info, dear UPSC, TNPSC, NEET and JEE aspirants and school and college students.
Welcome everyone, I am Roshan Kumar, I am studying in 9th standard. Let us see about the coordinate geometry lesson based on the Cartesian plane. Let us see a problem. Find the distance between the points minus 4, 3, 2, minus 3. That is given x-axis and y-axis. For
horizontally is x-axis.
Horizontally x-axis,
vertically
y-axis. They gave 2 points P and Q. For the P, they gave x1, y1. That is minus 4, 3. And for Q, 2, minus 3. And they given x2, y2. And they given 2, minus 3. This is the formula for finding the distance between the 2 points for P and Q and for all sums. PQ is equal to root y2 minus y1 whole square plus open bracket x2 minus x1 whole square. Let us see how to substitute these sums and find the distance between 2 points. PQ is equal to, first put a root, y square means this y square. See at the top, y
That's
square.
not y square, y2.
Y2, see at the top, y2 is means minus 3. Open bracket, minus 3. Let us see y1. Y1 means under 3, plus 3, that means.
No, you have to put minus there because you have got already minus there. Minus of plus minus. So put minus there. That's all. Whole square.
Whole square plus for x square we want to see here.
It's not x squared, x2.
x2. For x2 we want to see for upper. That is 2 plus 2.
Put minus immediately.
For x1 we want to see here minus 4.
Put minus 4.
Whole square.
No, you have to put one more bracket.
Is equal to, again you want to put a root. Minus 3 is equal to minus into minus plus 3
No.
plus 3, 6.
Minus 3, minus 3.
Minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Whole square plus 2 minus open bracket minus 4 close bracket is equal to plus 6 whole square. Again you want to put root. Open bracket minus 6 close bracket square plus minus open bracket plus 6 over close bracket square is equal to minus 6 can be minus 6 into minus 6 square is equal to minus 6 into minus 6 is plus 36. We should not put square because you already multiplied. Plus again you want to multiply 6 into 6, 36. After putting 36, we want to add to this 36. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 12, 2, carry 1, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 72. Good. Now we can split this 72 by 2 into 6. 2 into 6.
2 into 36.
2 into 36. Next we can split 2 into we can split it 72 into 2 into 36 root 2 into 36.
What is root 36?
Now we want to split the root 36. Root 36 is equal to 6 plus 6. Now we want to put the root 2 here.
Root 2.
And you want to write units. This is the substitution answer.
Good. Now put PQ. PQ. That is the distance. Okay? Very good.
Okay, everyone. We see that the Cartesian plane to find the distance between 2 points. Okay, I think you have all enjoyed this video. So please study this. Okay, thank you.
யாம் பெற்ற இன்பம் பெருக இவ்வையகம் என்பதற்கேற்ப please subscribe if you like our educational contents and share with your family and friends. Thank you for spending your valuable time.